If you guys work on a homestead for any amount of time, things happen. Well, let me show you how to fix this taillight. For this project, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a T25 driver. I just have this one in a screwdriver handle. And you're going to need a new lens. Right here on the taillight assembly, after you've opened up the tailgate, there's two Torx head screws. You're just going to back these out and try not to lose them. This one down here, back them out. There it goes. And this lens is going to pop out of here. Just like that. Now, I'm going to take, probably going to have to reposition you, so hold tight. Now that we have the tail light removed, we are going to give this light a quarter turn. And it'll pull out. There's that one. And try not to bang these around too much. And then this one down here at the bottom. Just give it a quarter turn. And slowly work it out. There. Grab our new light assembly. This already has a light in it, so we're going to take this light out because that old light's still good. We're going to slide it in the bottom right here. Make sure it's seated all the way and give it a quarter turn. There we go. We're going to take our top light, slide it in. Let's get it seated all the way. Give it a quarter turn. Okay. Once you get the bulbs back in the lens, you're going to fit it back up here into place. You're going to line up your holes. And this might take a little finesse, but get them all lined up. And we're going to just feed our screws back in. Now you do not want to crank down on these or you'll start breaking the plastic and that'll create a whole another set of problems. So just give these guys hand tight. That's all you need. And once we get these in, we'll check, see if it works. Okay. All right, folks, there you are. You see the light is on. So that's how you fix the broken tail light. If you like this kind of content and you want to learn more about living and working on a homestead and tractor maintenance and working on your vehicles and just being self-sufficient, give our channel a like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.